Hey, what's up, Stellar XLM holder? This is very important and very urgent update for all of you now. So let's start a brand video, my brother. But kindly please like video and don't forget to subscribe this channel. In this video, I am going to predicate this coin, my brothers, to upcoming time can price will increasing or fails down. So the current condition is very critical now, and absolutely, my brother, in last 24 hours, minus 0.56%. They are lost now. So that's a really bad. But this is short fail, so please don't fail, my brother. I hope in upcoming time Stellar XLM will give you a very good profit. The first of all, as you can see whether the chart, so this chart is completely showing brothers to after a huge jump they will fail us down. So that's clear to after a short fails they will take a short jump, but after a long jump they will take a long jump. So please remember, my brothers. All right, so this time at minus 3.26% profit in last 7 days. You can see they were lost now, but as you can see, my this time the price is 0.3 USD dollar, but the current price is 0.2 USD dollar. So that's mean to in previous days, my friend, the price will fail us down and decreasing now. So I can't expect this, but let's see, my brother. All right, if we just only check out, my friend, the last 24-hour chart to what they do in last 24 hours. So in last 24 hours they are already losting now, and definitely, my friend, the coin is very badly lost because whether you know, especially with short term investor, they are starting selling, so they will fail us down. But if when they are holding, so definitely the price will be increasing now. So thanks for watching, holder. Hope you understand something new in this video. Please, if you are new my channel, so kindly like and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Allah Hafiz, take care.